That said, I will show you some of the stuff that I printed. Let's have a look. So for starters, there's something very exciting. This is a pre-production unit. That's right, everybody, we've made it. I signed an NDA. Somebody sent us a printer before it was out. Check that off the old YouTuber list. Now, with that in mind, you're probably going to have the Qidi box inside of your machine if you order the combo. I had the Qidi box shipped separate from my machine, or at least outside of my machine. So it's going to ship similar to what we see most other multi-material or multicolor printers with an external multicolor unit ship.